Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add two different numbers. For instance, I'm gonna take numbers from you guys. Like I'm gonna use the input function, and I'm going to take some number. So suppose for the first number, let's say number one, and for the second number, I'll say number two. Second number, I'll say number two. So we have our two number, but we need to store this number somewhere. So for that, let's write num1 equal to this, and let's write num2 equal to this. Okay, so we have our two number. Now we can pretty much add this number and show it to you guys. So in order to do that, I can just write print, and here I can just write num1 plus num2. So this is pretty self-explanatory. Sorry, not like this. I can just write result, and here I will say num1 plus num2, and here I will just print out the result. So let's print result. So when I do that and I click on this run test, you can see this is asking me for num1. So let's type 5. Then num2, let's type 10, and this is giving me 5, 10. So this should be 15, but instead of 15, this is showing me 5, 10. So this is happening because this is Python is treating this one as a string. So I can show you that as well. Suppose I write printf, not printf, print, and here I can write type and the type of num1. So let's run this one. 1, 2, and here you can see this is showing that this is num1 is a string. So I don't want num1 to be a string. I want num1 to be an integer value. So I have to actually transform this into an integer value. So in order to do that, I can just simply use int then this. So whatever I pass over here, this will be turned into an integer value. So let's cut this one because I don't need it here. I need it over here. So let's sorry about that. Let's cut this one and first write int, then let's paste this one. Similarly, I will just cut this one, type int, then I will paste this one. So right now, if I click on run, then the first number is, let's say 3, and the second number, let's say 5. So if everything is all right and okay, Python should return me the value of 8, because 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So if I just press enter, then you can see it has given me the value of 8. And one more thing that I can do, I can write another print, and here I can just ask for the type, and here I can just pass the value of result. So here if I just run this and type number 1 5, number 2 5, and here you can say you cannot say, here you can see that the total result is 10 and the value is integer value. So yeah, and if I do something similar over here, before this, like before converting this string into an integer value, if I type print, and if I want to see the type of num1, and if I just click on run, then suppose I give the first number 5, the second number 5, then you can see the type of num1 is actually string, but later in line 5 I have converted that string into an integer value, and I have also converted the other string into an integer value, and then I have asked for the result, which is actually an integer value itself. So I can do some more fun stuff like this is result. Then I can just write this as result 1, and let's just copy this one couple of times. This is copying this couple of times, and let's do result 2, result 3, result 4, and let's have the first one as plus, the second one as minus, third one as multiply, fourth one as divide. So let's go and run our program, and I don't actually need this type of anymore. This is for your understanding, and if I just go and run this program, then let's say the first number is 10 and the second number is 5. So here you can see oh, we don't have anything called result, so we need to fix this as well. So let's copy this couple of times, and first one is 1, second one 2, third one 3, fourth one will be 4. And if I just run this right now, so you can see first number is 10, second number is 5, and here you can see if I add 10 plus 5 is 15. If I subtract 10 then 5, I will get 5. If I multiply, then I'll get 50. If I divide, I will get 2. So this is how you can actually make your own calculator using some Python code. So by far the knowledge you have with Python, you can actually make a very simple calculator for yourself. So yeah, so I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.